Alpha Wolf here, Survivalist UK, and welcome to Toastercise, the home fitness program using toasters. Today we're looking at push-ups, the classic exercise for building up strength and stamina in the chest, the shoulders and the arms. We're using toasters for this exercise today, specifically the Russell Hobbs and the Morphy Richards. But other toasters are available. Now, you know how to do a push-up. You put the hands at approximately shoulder width. You can do them on your knees if you're a woman. But if you're a man, you're going to stretch out like so and take the weight on your arms. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And relax. Can you manage that? Very good. Now, to make it more interesting, you can spread the toasters out a little bit further. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Still with me? Excellent. To make it even more interesting, let's add a bit of weight. Now, I prepared my rucksack. Here we go. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. As you can see, I've got my 90-litre rucksack on. Actually, it's 120 litres, but today I put 20 kilos of weight inside this thing. So that's going to add a bit more fun to the whole adventure. Okay, so here we go. Right. Okay, get a good steady grip of the toasters. Okay, with me? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, keep it up. 10. And relax. Well done. You're all heroes. Okay, sit back up. So, this has been Toastercise, and I'm Alpha Wolf. We live in challenging times, but don't be scared. Be prepared.